Hey there, it's Carson from Wandering Dillos. Today we've just got a short little maker video on how you can make your very own poo blaster. So this is just a short little maker video in response to a blog post we did about a week or so ago about the curse of the poo pyramid. If you RV and you have a toilet on board and you use it, sooner or later this is going to happen to you. I'm not going to go into the backstory. You can go to the blog and you can read about it and get a good laugh. But we made as part of the story, we made our own device, just a poo blaster to help get us out of that situation. We had a lot of folks say, hey, we'd like more details. Exactly how did you make that? So in this short video, we're going to show you exactly how you can make your very own poo blaster with common parts you can get at any hardware store late at night and only spend a few dollars doing it. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so here's the business end of our project. We've just got some 1/2 inch PVC tubing and a 1/2 inch cap. We're going to cement the cap onto the end and then drill a few holes in it for the water to come shooting out of. To glue this all together, we're going to use some purple primer first to prep the surfaces, and then we'll glue them together with the actual PVC cement. And I'll tell you, a little bit of this primer goes a long way. It's easy to make a big mess. Don't need to really soak it. Just get an even coverage. Only takes a few seconds for that to dry. And now we'll hit it with the solvent. It's the blue bit. And again, it doesn't really take as much. So I'm showing here. But that should do a good job. Then sort of press these together and rotate. And now that is not going to come off. So we'll let that set up and then we'll drill our holes. Now we had to experiment a little bit to find out what size holes we needed. This is actually version 1.0. This is the original poo blaster. And you can see here, as you look at it, we've essentially got 3 holes that we've drilled, and just by trial and error found that about a 1/8 inch drill bit was about the right size to give us a good high pressure stream of water coming out, also enough volume of water coming out to get the job done. The enhancement that we're going to make, one of the issues with version 1.0 is it's really too wide this way. You're trying to stuff this down in a 3 or 4 inch pipe, and this piece right here is over 2 inches, so it gets a little bit tight. So that'll be the advantage when we come in with this new version 2.0. It's going to give us the same effectiveness, but it's going to be much narrower, much easier to get down into the drain pipe. Okay, so what's the plan? We're going to draw 3 1/8 inch holes, one right here in the middle, straight down, and then one on each side that sort of comes in at an angle so that this will make sort of a spray-like pattern down inside the drain pipe. Alright, so here's our finished product. Nozzle, 3 holes. Plastic will clean that out. But you can see that that'll give us a nice spray pattern. Should get the job done. So there's the finished product. Very, very simple construction. Very inexpensive. You can buy something that'll do this same job at the hardware store. Set you back like 25 bucks. Alright, now this is the other end. Really, this end you can do any way you want. Anything that's going to hook up to your hose and satisfy your needs. I've splurged a little bit. I've got a swivel connection on this end that allows you to rotate the nozzle around without having to kink up the hose. Again, not necessary. Would recommend a little shut-off valve though, because things can get out of control very quickly, and this will allow you to turn the water on and off without having to yell out to your partner in crime who's standing out at the hose spigot. So this is probably worth the $2 investment that we've made on the on-off valve. Let's go plug it in and show you how it all works. All right, let's give this a try. Turn on. Slow. And full blast. So you can see that is a lot of water coming out quickly, high volume. So there you go, everything you need to make your very own poo blaster. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the road.